The Brazil di Cap Cali, Haiti, that's what you say, motherfucker.
Cassette the bag ain't no man.
You don't need cassette, you got antenna. This is 2004.
Oh what?
$1.
Dollar.
Let's go $1.
Look at. What's wrong, man?
Bon, my brother.
Oh, Zakatele, man.
What the fuck is that, man?
What the fuck is that? That's what it is. What the fuck is
That's
that?
dread.
What's that?
You see that dread? Got something. Don't get what you get, nigga. I break you, bum. Look at your hair. You think you look good?
He's not gonna do nothing, man.
Stupid ass
He's not
nigga.
gonna do nothing.
I didn't shave it. You think that's dreadlock? That's dreadlock. My break is dread.
You looking like a worm in your head, bro.
A what?
Looking like a worm.
Your hair look like zero.
Nasty. It's nasty like your
Go
head,
get
bro.
whoever, you're gonna get more flail.
Finish that dog.
I tell you, Haiti Cap Cali, Brazil, tout le monde. So, you got to give it back. Oh, base. Magala ba foot plug in. Stupid.
Salty. Ou ba ge plug?
Look, man, I'm telling you, they think that plug. It's not plug. It's not plug.
Hey, brother, this is the fuck niggas right now.
Yeah.
Hold up. This is the fuck
Wait,
niggas.
wait,
Back up. Wait. What? I didn't. I don't mean to talk to you like that.
I told you, we're not you.
What happened, bro?
I see you.
Okay, something. Hey, you. No, one day. Okay,
I like your 2 chain.
It's not my fault.